tawag doon, commissary in Sukat to the airport.
So, sarili niyang pagkain, sarili niyang airline.
Hindi sa lahat. Macro Asia, they provide because of Lalamove, because of Grab,
I see.
because of Angkas.
Oo.
Pucha, alam ko tayo mag-go. Pag nagbigay ka ng trabaho sa driver, sa helper, pare, kulang na lang, halika ng paa mo nun. Sobrang utang na loob. At binigyan mo siya ng trabaho.
Well, what's the core issue today? Everyone's hiring. Everyone needs drivers.
Ngayon, the advantage now is if you have a friend, you have a relative na, Siyan, tulungan mo naman ako. Wala akong trabaho, kailangan ko ng pera. Ganito, ganyan. So, dali lang yun. Eh, madaling tumulong ngayon. Bisikleta lang kailangan. Kasi,
Deliver na.
1,000 a day, food panda.
Larga ka agad, ano?
Yeah. Alam mo ba na, dito, para walang problema. Kaya, ang drivers ng trucks, medyo mahirap. Kasi, how much is the minimum? Kami, right?
Meron, oo. Ito yung ruta na bibigyan ka ng madali, pero papaalala sa'yo, Tagaytay pa rin ang punta ninyo. Hindi pwedeng libre lahat.
Anong tawag dito sa rutan to? Upak.
Upak, oo. So, this course is Rev Upak kasi rene-reverse natin.
Subukan namin yun. Kaya lang, malis din kami kasi puro 45 lala.
What's going on? Ngayon na ako tinaraffic ng ganito dito. What time is it? 7:17 in the morning.
Alam ko hindi ko kaya. You have to know your power eh. Because if you don't, wala eh. Itiri ka eh.
Anong zone 5 mo? Anong heart rate range? Wow, above 180? 190?
No. May the maximum na heart rate na ginagawa ko is 162. 162.
Hanggang doon lang. When you hit that, taper ka.
Oh, I can do that siguro mga 1-2 minutes.
Okay.
Pero usually, pwede ako matagal kahit mga 150. 150 to 154, ganyan. Pwede ako matagal. Pero, as much as possible, I try to keep it at mga 145. Para medyo manageable.
I like yung 162 mababa yung cap mo and that's how you do it. Hindi pwede yung alam mo yung actual mo, ididikit mo doon, ilalampas mo pa.
You can do higher.
Pero kahit sa young din, ang advice ko,
Although alam mo napansin ko, pag wala kang ensayo, ewan ko kung napapansin mo yun. If you don't monitor your heart rate, pag wala akong, alam mo, ako coming from a vacation, 3 weeks, no cycling.
Nako, masakit. Sakit
Alam mo, feeling ko, okay pa. Pero ang heart rate ko plus 17, plus 15. Grabe.
And you listen to the heart rate reading.
I look at the heart rate reading because if I just listen to my body,
hindi
my body will tell me
it will deceive you.
It is just 140. Pero when I look at the heart rate, puta 157.
Yes.
Pero feeling ko, puta itong pace na to 140 lang to.
Okay.
Yes. Pero now it's probably lower kasi
So 218 actual power eh, pero alam mo yung watts per kilogram mo? Like ako, I'm 3.92, 3.93.
hindi ko hindi ako sure eh. Pero ang watts per kilogram ko normally now parang ano eh, kasi 65 kilos eh.
Magaan ka naman eh. I would think a little higher than mine. Baka nasa 395 ka, 396.
I'm not so sure eh. Pero ako alam ko na ang fastest ano ko is during the pandemic.
Kalakasan mo yun.
Oo, kasi pag hindi ako Strava, it's during the pandemic.
We are in Tagaytay. Tingnan natin ang Taal activity. It's our second time here. The Shire. Yan, may ventilador. Mainit. Let's turn this thing on.
You have a business, you set up a business. Sometimes, maliit ang income. Sometimes, parang you think it's not worth it. Surprisingly, while doing that, you will encounter somebody, you will meet somebody, you will see an opportunity. That's probably another business that you can start while doing what you're currently doing. And then, magugulat ka, that new business that you encountered lang while doing the original business that's not making money, that will really help you. And it happened to me. So I was engaged in a different business, and then I had an opportunity to try something. So ko, testingin ko nga ito, nothing to lose. O, nung tinesting mo, okay ito ah. Pero you saw that opportunity, maybe 2 years. 2 years na ginagawa mo yung something else. So, pero yung opportunity na yun ang magpapayaman sa'yo.
How do you recognize that? Yung ganyan?
Wala eh, kasi you will not really know right away. Kasi in any business naman, you try something. Feeling mo, magkiklik ito. Feeling mo, okay ito. Pero biglang, parang wala, di ba? Pero minsan naman, you don't expect anything. Sabi mo, hindi, hobby lang ito. And then, biglang, boom! Magkiklik yun, wala, hindi mo, you cannot really say kung ano yung In fact, I read na sometimes there are other businessmen na sabihin nila, sa lahat ng business na tineo ko, I never imagine na this will really make it. I was expecting this, pero in reality, ito, natalisod ko lang ito, biglang boom. Diba? Kaya nga walang masamang tinapay talaga dapat eh. Para, di ba? Benta mo sa akin ito, gamitin ko to, benta ko na lang ito, parang libre na lang ako. Easily 22. Mine is 15. At most 15.5 depending on the exchange rate.
Bike ni Rafi, sariwang-sariwa pa, hindi pa inalis yung sticker sa rotor. Ang sarap alisin, no? Sarap alisin. DHM Clavicula, Asioma power meter. Kaliwat kanan yan. Of course, Durace. NV.
S-Works bukas na yung ginamit ni sino yung nanalo sa Olympics? It's the all black.
Okay.
Pero ang ganda nung niya na yun. Always assume the car is not
Yep.
kasi you never know baka bigla mag-ride.
Yan ang essence of defensive riding talaga.
Kailangan you always have to